Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it to get more videos on art and press on the bell icon to get all the notifications. Hello friends, today Brezziana is here for you to make you paint while you release all your stresses and strains of your daily life. Now come on, let's get started on our speech. Today I am going to talk about the painting essentials. Well, while talking about it, the most basic essential that comes to our mind are the brushes. And apart from that, we also need canvas or canvas sheet. It can also be in the form of cloth, some paints and a jar of water to make the brush wet and to clean and squish it off. Well, as we talk about paints, a lot of variety are available in the market in our nearby stores. I'm going to show you one of the paints that I have. This is a camel one and it's a very good paint for everyday use, but this is thick in texture. For the beginners, I would suggest that they can use the texture which is watery. Like this is a Fabrica acrylic color which comes in different shades and colors of your choice, and it is quite watery in texture. It's very good for the beginners. So I would suggest you can take any brand of your choice and any color of your choice. Perfect in it, I would suggest you to take the thicker paints. I'm going to talk more about it. Well, the beginners can use paints which are little watery in texture, and as you move on, I already told you, you can use thicker ones too. Well, painting is really a fun-filled activity, friends, and color mixing is really fun, and using them in your paintings makes it more amazing. Now I'm going to show you some colors. Colors come in different forms. See, I have this magenta color. Then I have this brilliant purple color. See, the colors are so beautiful and mixing them would make it more beautiful. And I also have this Vincent Newton color, which is a professional color. And as you move on more with perfection, you can use these colors.